Good day everyone, my name is Donel Burgos and now we are going to make my products. So my products will be Graham balls, or commonly known as Munchkins. I chose this product because this is the perfect time to sell and eat these types of snacks in the Halloween season. And fun fact, I used to sell this product in our school when I was in 8th and 9th grade. How to make Munchkins. So first we need the ingredients. 450 grams of grahams or 2 packs of crushed grahams, 300 ml of condensed milk, and for our fillings, I will use marshmallows. Here is the procedure. First, in a mixing bowl or in a bowl, put the 450 grams of grahams or 2 packs of crushed grahams. Save a little crushed grahams and put it on the saucer or a bowl for the later process. Next, gradually add condensed milk into the bowl. Mix well until evenly combined. We won't use evaporated milk because it will make our grahams more liquidy, making the grahams hard to shape. I'll also only use 1 can of condensed milk because using 2 makes it too sweet. After we mix, let's flatten the graham in the bowl. Refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, we will going to slice the grahams into cubes. Put the graham cubes into a plate and fill them with marshmallows. After, for the next process, we need to use plastic gloves. But since I cannot find any plastic gloves in the market, I will use my hands to shape the grahams. Just be sure to wash your hands first. You can also use chocolates as the fillings or any flavors depending on you. Then, roll the graham balls over the crushed grahams. Aside from the crushed grahams, you can also use sprinkles, desiccated coconut, potato starch, or dip each ball into melted chocolate. Refrigerate again for 5 to 10 minutes. Then it's all done.